Chapter 3 Maps are Guides. In the previous chapter, you have read about a globe. You know how useful it can be and you also know its disadvantages. To overcome the disadvantages of a globe, we use a map. Maps. Maps are drawings of a part or the whole of the Earth's surface on a flat surface. They may represent a small area, a country, a continent, or the entire world. The maps that depict small areas have greater detail, while maps which show large areas generally depict only important locations or places. A collection of maps bound together in a book is called an atlas. Wall maps are hung on walls. They are available in many sizes. They are also used in a class to teach students. Types of maps. A single map cannot show all the features of the Earth. Therefore, we use different types of maps according to requirement. A physical map shows us the physical features of an area. The landforms and the water bodies can be clearly seen on these maps. Different physical features are shown in different colors. A political map shows boundaries of an area. It shows townships, cities, states and countries. A capital city is marked with a star. A climatic map shows rainfall, temperature, wind direction, pressure, etc. A vegetation map shows the distribution of forests, plants, grasslands, etc. An economic map shows areas of agricultural production, industries, mining, ports, trading routes, etc. This map is also called a resource map or a commercial map. A road map shows roads, railways, airports, ports, etc. It is helpful to a tourist. Understanding a map. To read the map correctly and accurately, we need to understand the language of a map. Every map has directions, signs, symbols and scale. This is called the language of the map. The features represented on a map are greatly reduced in size. Directions. While going to school from your house, you turn either left or right. The word left and right indicate the direction of your movement. We follow 4 major directions. They are north, south, east and west. Maps also follow the same system to show direction. Place a map on a table. The farthest side of the map we call it the top of the map is north. South is always opposite to north, that is at the bottom. To your right is east and to your left is west. The directions on a map can also be shown by an arrow which is marked N. This shows the north direction. Once you know where north lies, it is easy to find the other directions. Between the north and the east lies the northeast, between the north and the west lies the northwest, between the south and the west lies the southwest, between the south and the east lies the southeast. All maps follow the same method of showing directions. Scale. We can make a map of the Earth by using different scales. If you look at a map, you will find a scale on the top or bottom of the map. In the picture given here is shown a map scale. A map scale is the ratio of the distance between two places on the map to the actual ground distance. A map scale of 1 centimeter, 100 kilometers states that a distance of 1 centimeter on a map between two places is actually 100 kilometers. A scale helps us to know the distance between two places. All the maps are drawn according to a scale. Signs and symbols. To show features like temples, mosques, churches, roads, rivers, bridges, railway lines, capital cities, etc., we have certain signs and symbols. These signs and symbols help us to read the information of the map and understand the map. Some of the commonly used signs and symbols are given below. Color scheme. Colors play an important role to read the map. Almost all maps follow a common scheme of colors. For example, A pale blue color is used to show shallow waters of the sea. Deep blue color is used to show deep waters. Green color is used to show low land or fertile land. Yellow and shades of light brown are used to show lands higher than the low lands or plains. Deep brown is used to show mountains and high land. A key or a legend is provided to understand the colored maps. It shows the depth of water or height of land from sea level for each color.